In the previous video we have seen how to create a dynamic enemy. So let's play and check it out a little bit. So here you can able to see the enemy has been creating dynamically. So in this video we are going to see how to setting up the score for a player. Once if we hit like this, we want to make a score for a player. Okay, let's see how to do that. Okay, so in order to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to have a score system. Okay, so to make a score system, let's open the game controller. We are going to have text mesh pro. So using text TMP. Okay, so the TMP is used to get a text. Since we are using a text mesh component for a text, I'll show you what type of text we are already having. So here in canvas you can able to see we are using text mesh pro, not a text. It's in general text you can have like this. This is a Unity text. So but this is text mesh pro, it's like a plugin. Now it has been enhanced with Unity. So in order to use the text mesh pro, generally you want to have TMP pro namespace. Okay, so let's have text mesh pro GUI. Okay, to call a text, this is a syntax text mesh pro GUI. Okay, so let's have score UI. Okay, and then we are going to have integer variable called int score counter equal to 0. Okay, so let's have one function called public void add score. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we are going to have score UI dot text equal to score. Okay, and then score counter. So what will happen is generally, so if we call this, it will add over there. Before that we want to increase the score, so score counter plus 1. Okay, it has been done now, so everything is perfect. Let's check it out. So before that you want to call the game controller to do this. So to make this, we are going to call from here. Okay, so game controller dot sp dot add score. So we are trying to call the game controller function called add score from the player control script using a game controller dot sp dot add score. This is nothing but it's a singleton system to call that. Okay, so let's play and see. Once okay, so player has been destroyed, but the issue you can see that score is not added. The issue is we haven't added the score UI. So just drag and drop, hit save. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, even there is one more thing if we missed. So the issue is game controller sp dot add score. So it's going to come here and it's going to have score UI. So everything is fine, but the issue is, let's check it out one more time. I'm sorry, we need to have this in player ruler. We need to have in that. So this is for enemy actually. So we want to check where enemy is sitting. So it's in enemy control. Open the script. Okay. So here we just call. We'll check it out now. Clear that console. We don't want to go for that. Okay. Score is increasing more. We'll try one more time. Fine. I think it's fine now. Maybe we'll try to have at least 5 to 6 kind of scores. Okay. This is perfect. So that's it. So in the next video we'll see how to add a gasoline system. So thank you.